Today we're making gluten-free sandwich bread. This recipe is fairly easy and it is delicious, so let's get started. You're first going to start with your yeast. If you have instant yeast, you don't need to do this, but if you're using active dry yeast, like in the recipe, you're going to need to hydrate your yeast. While that's hydrating, you're going to need 3 cups of flour. I use King Arthur gluten-free all-purpose flour. It's a great blend. Now, if you use a different one, it's going to turn out differently. Then you need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next, you're going to add 1 1/4 teaspoons of xanthan gum and 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. You're going to mix the dry ingredients all together. Slowly add the milk in. You're just going to kind of drizzle it and mix it in really well. Next, add the butter, and as you can see, it'll start coming together like a batter. Then beat the eggs in one at a time so they thoroughly get mixed into the dough. Then beat on high for about 3 minutes so you have a very smooth and thick dough. Then cover and let rise for 1 hour. Now this is not going to rise like regular dough, but it will rise. You will see a little bit of difference. Once the dough has risen, you're going to scoop it into a prepared loaf pan, and then you're going to put plastic wrap over it that has a little bit of oil on top so the dough does not stick to it as it's rising in the pan. Bake the bread at 350 Fahrenheit for 38 to 42 minutes until golden brown. Mine did take the whole 42 minutes to get a nice little golden brown color. Unfortunately, many gluten-free breads have a short shelf life, so you're going to want to eat this within a few days. The best way to eat it is to toast it and cut it up and put some jam on it or make a sandwich.